Hello class, this is your teacher Michael. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Math Karit. For this video presentation, let us talk about how to solve arithmetic series. So without further ado, let's watch this video. So what is an arithmetic series, class? So it says an arithmetic series is the sum of the terms of an arithmetic sequence. Okay, so before we proceed to the problem related to arithmetic series, let me give you the formula of the arithmetic series. So we have the sub n that is equals to n over 2, then multiply that with 2 a sub 1 for the first term plus the n minus 1, multiply that with the d for the common difference. Okay, so this is sub n plus sub n, it's referring to the sum of the arithmetic sequence number. This n represents the number of terms. So the a sub 1, that is the first term, again n is the number of terms, then d is the common difference. Okay, so let us go to the second formula. Second formula is a sub n is equals to n, multiply that with the a sub 1 plus the a sub n for the last term over 2. Okay, so let us proceed to the problem. Okay, so our first problem is to find the sum of the first 20 terms of the arithmetic sequence 4, 6, 8, and 10. So we will use the first formula because a sub 1 is given. This is the a sub 1. Okay. Let me change the color. This is the a sub 1. This is the number of terms, and we have also the common difference. When we subtract this 4 first term to second term, which is 6, that is equals to positive 2. So we have the common difference. Okay, let me write here. So we have a sub 1 for the first term is equals to 4, then the number of terms n equals to 20, and the common difference equals to 2. Okay, so let us write the first formula. We have the sub n equals to n over 2, multiply that with 2, multiply 2 with the sub 1, our first term, plus the number of term minus 1, multiply that with the common difference. Okay, so let us now substitute. So we have our n, which is 20, divided by 2. We have 2, multiply that with positive 4, the first term, plus 20, the number of terms, minus 1, multiply that with the common difference, which is 2. Okay. So let us divide 20 by 2, that is 10. We have 2 times 4, that is 8, plus 20 minus 1, that is 19. Multiply that with 2. Okay. So let us solve first the number inside with parentheses. Just bring down 10. We have 8, 19 times 2. Okay, that is 38. Sorry. 38. Next, we have 10. 38 plus 8, that is 46. Then 10 multiplied to 46, that is equals to 460. Okay, did you get class? Okay, so let us proceed to problem number 2. So here we are tasked to find the sum of 7 terms of an arithmetic sequence whose first and last terms are 20 and 40 respectively. So in this problem, the given are the first term, which is 20, and the last term, which is 40, as well as the number of terms. So we will use the second formula if the given in a problem is the first term and the last term. Okay. So our second formula, which is a sub n, is equals to n multiply that with the a sub 1, or the first term, plus the a sub n. A sub n, which is the last term, over 2. Okay. So we can substitute n, which is 7, multiply that with the first term, which is 20, plus 40, the last term, divided by 2. Okay. So bring down 7. Let us add 20 and 40, that is equals to 60 over 2. Then bring down 7 again. Then let us divide 60 by 2, that is 30. Okay. So 7 times 30, that is 210. Okay, class, did you get it? Okay, so let us go to the problem number 3. So we are tasked to find the sum of arithmetic sequence. We have the number -4, -1, +2, +5, up to 10 terms. Okay. So our given, we have the a sub 1, which is the first term. Let me write it here. A sub 1, which is equals to -4. Next, we have the n, or the number of term, which is 10, and also we have the common difference. Okay, So the common difference here is 3. Because when we subtract the first term negative 4 to second term negative 1, the difference is 3. Also, this 2 subtracted to 5, the difference will also be 3. Okay, so our common difference is 3. Okay, so when S of 1 or the first term, the number of terms and the common difference are given, so we will use the first formula. So this is the common difference. The first formula is S of n is equals to n over 2 and 2 multiplied to S of 1 plus n minus 1, multiply that with the common difference. Okay. Okay, so let us now substitute. We have our n, which is 10, divided by 2, then 2 multiplied with negative 4, the first term, then plus the number of term, which is 10. We have 10 minus 1, multiplied that with the common difference, which is 3. Okay. Next, let us divide 10 by 2, that is 5. Then multiply 2 times 4, negative 4, that is negative 8. Plus, we have, this is 1. Okay, so that is 9. Multiply that by 3. Okay. Bring down 5. Then, copy negative 8 plus, let us multiply 9 times 3, that is positive 27. Okay, let me erase this is 7. Next, bring down 5 again. Then let us add negative 8 plus 27, negative 8. You can get your calculator. Plus 27, that is positive 19. Here we have 19. Then multiply that with 5. 19 times 5, that is 95. Okay, so that is our final answer. Okay class, so I hope that you learned from this video presentation. Thank you for watching.